Hi everyone, it's January the 29th, 2014. Today is my son's 21st birthday. Happy birthday, son. We won't be doing much celebrating today. My husband never did make it home from work. He had to spend the night there. We don't know when they'll get the roads open up enough for him to get home. My daughter is still not at home, but she is safe, she is warm, has food. It's really not the snow that caused the problem, it's the ice that formed on the streets. People are still stranded. They've been stranded in their car now for like 20 hours. It took my mom 8 hours to get home last night, but around 8 o'clock she finally made it home. Well, she almost made it home, was doing so good, and then her car slid off the road. But then my stepdad was able to come and get her. The school bus is still stuck in the ditch here on my street. I don't know when they'll get it out. But it's all quiet. The roads are ice. Still many people stranded and everything, so this is just bad. Many students were still stranded at school, so we're still praying for everyone, praying that everyone can get home and get off the streets and everything. So please continue to pray for everyone. But it's not even supposed to get up above freezing today. It's supposed to get like 30, 31 degrees, but maybe this sun will hurry up and try to melt some of these streets where everyone can get home and everything. So until then, I'll see you later. Underneath this is nothing but ice. Ooh, slippery ice. Ooh, just a sheet of ice. I just got a text from the 911 emergency service. I'm not going to give my county, but it says, extreme hazards, avoid all roads from ice and snow. Numerous roads are still closed. So I only hope and pray that when my husband can make it home tonight, but at least where he's at, he's safe and warm. So maybe later on he'll try it if they open up the roads, but I'll keep you informed. I just want to add, where we live at, the temperatures have been unusually cold for several days. I mean, down in the teens and everything. So normally when it snows around here, the temperature is like in the 30s, and then it even takes a while if it even sticks much. So what has happened was, yesterday when it started snowing, it was already down into the lower 20s, and where the grounds have been so cold for days, it just immediately started sticking and turning to ice. So, you know, I'm sitting on Facebook reading all these stories where, you know, a lot of my family members, you know, it took them hours and hours and hours to even make it home, if they even made it home. Parents trying to get to their children that were stranded on a bus or at school and stuff. And schools around here, I'm sorry, didn't close soon enough. And I just feel so bad. Like I say, my husband still isn't home. Just got that text. They've closed a lot of roads off. It's not supposed to get above freezing today. Look at my old grill. But just praying for everyone and all those people that's been stranded for 20 plus hours, you know, that's ran out of gas. They have no food, no water, and everything. But then reading all the acts of kindness from everyone that's going out and passing out food and water and stuff. You know, just, you know, if you see someone out, just help them the best way that you can. And we're continuing to pray. And everyone, please be safe. It is now 12:30, and my husband just phoned. He's got his phone charged up, and he is going to try to make it home. So we are praying for his safe return. And here's my son, whose birthday is today, turned 21 years old, and he's going to try to sled in his clothes basket. See if we got any mail.
Are you serious? Hey, Dad, ever make it home?
No. Look at this ice.
Here.
Look, we got some melting on the road. Look at that. A small patch of melting. Our clear patch. This right here is just slippery. Just ice. So I'm waiting around. You didn't close the mailbox, son. To hoping and praying. My next door neighbor, they have a four-wheeler, and if heaven forbid my husband gets stuck, they're gonna go get him and bring him home the rest of the way. So I'm thankful for that. So I'm out for now. Ooh, it's cold out here. What are you doing? Look, some animals been in the yard, look. Okay, let's see what my son's up to now. Don't break nothing, because we can't get you to the hospital if you do. Yep, that's my 21-year-old. That's my boy. Is it gonna work?
No.
Look who is making it home.
Hey, here he is.
Yep. Here comes my husband. finally making it home the next day. He's here.
I see that. Oh, he just cut the car off or it died one.
Oh no. Here he is, after being stranded at work all night long. Yay! Look at that happy face. Smile, Ricky, you're home. Okay, so my husband finally made it home after being stuck at his work all night long. He said that where he works there is a Target just in the same shopping center that they're in. He said so the manager took him up there and they picked to buy some cereal. What do you need with cereal? You need milk. And then he said that they got some peanut butter and jelly. What do you need with peanut butter and jelly? You need bread. It's because we never could understand why everybody would buy out the milk and bread. He said now he knows. So, but he's very tired. He's only had like an hour of sleep. They made some makeshift hammocks and didn't really have no blankets or nothing, but the place was warm. He's only had an hour of sleep. He was very hungry, so I fixed him some food. He's taking him a warm shower, and then he's going to crash because he is tired. My daughter keeps texting me, bless her heart. She wants to come home. Her dad said the roads are way too bad, that she's still just going to have to sit tight. And I miss her so bad and wish that she was here with me, but she is fine. She's safe and she's warm. But she just wants to be home with us. And like I say, today is my son's birthday. So I just got a text from the sheriff's department. They are telling everyone if you've abandoned your vehicle to leave it. Do not try to get out today to retrieve it. That the only way it will be towed if it is in the way of emergency vehicles trying to fix the roads. And my mama's car is one of those that's abandoned on the side of the street. So everyone be warm, be safe. We're still praying for everyone that is stranded. The roads are like just a sheet of ice. So still praying for everyone that my husband is finally home. So this is the only thing that I can make for my son today for his birthday. I made him a chocolate chip cookie cake. So it's sitting here cooling, so I hope he enjoys it. This weekend we'll take him out to dinner and get him a good regular cake. So, Alex, happy 21st birthday. And it was fun being stranded with you. But happy birthday. As most everyone knows, I make specialty candles. It's been too cold the past couple of days to make the container candles because they will just set up too fast. So I've been making my wax pecans, see, and see, these are my homemade silicone molds that I made. I'm making some donut wax melts. These will be decorated up to look like donuts that goes in your wax warmers. So that's what I've been doing too. So don't they look real? But they're not. Well, my phone keeps going off, so let me go check these texts. See you later. Just heard from my daughter. Some of my friends have walked up and they're about to go out and have some fun in the snow. Told her just bundle up and please be very careful, but don't get on the streets. So I miss her. She wants to be home, but at least she can have some fun with some friends.